best way to safeguard your financial future is to have investments, not saving money in the bank and have them double it for their gains. Mark Cuban understood this and invested widely. The 63-year-old billionaire made massive investments that brought him into the limelight. In this age of an imbalance in the economy, there are certain stocks that would constantly bring good money for you, and that is what billionaire Mark Cuban was wise enough to invest in. His huge investment in some of these boring dividend stocks gave him an edge over other investors. In this video, we would be looking at 5 stocks Mark Cuban invested in and how profitable the dividends on these stocks are. We will also look at the amount of profit per time the stocks earn and how it has been able to earn the billionaire more money. Before we get into the list, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and turn your post notifications on. Feel free to also like this video, leave a comment below, and make sure to count down to number 5 with us. 5. Live Nations Entertainment. To start our list of stocks Mark bought is the company Live Nations Entertainment, Inc. This company is one of the renowned entertainment hubs in the U.S. It is a worldwide entertainment company that was established in 2010. The founding of the company was immediately after the merger of the companies Live Nation and Ticketmaster. Live Nations Entertainment is known for promoting shows and managing the ticket sales for live entertainment both in the United States and globally. The company, along with making ticket sales for entertainment shows and other big events, also owns and operated venues for entertainment. The company also manages the career of budding music artists. Owing to the increasing relevance to the entertainment industry, the dividends on stocks sold by this company is considerably mouthwatering. The stock of this company now goes for $123.80 per unit, an all-time high, with a considerably whopping amount in dividends. Cuban bought stock from this company at a point when it was in a dip. The dip was so bad that financial analysts saw his move as unwise and overly optimistic. But today, with the amount of stocks he has in this company, he has realized more than the amount he's got the stock with and is still in the winning game. The billionaire's instincts for rise and growth did not fail him, as the ticket sale company took a huge and favorable turn after the extreme dip of last year. Number 4. Coinbase. Another company that Mark Cuban bought stocks in during the great dip of last year is Coinbase, a relatively new crypto market and maybe to some an extremely unwise point of investment. The company is one of the largest traders of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Cubin, according to his own admission, has a Bitcoin-heavy crypto portfolio, with the currency making up 60% of his total crypto holdings. Coinbase is a crypto platform that was founded in 2012 by billionaire and cryptocurrency enthusiasts Brian Armstrong and Fred Ehrsam. The company does not have an official physical headquarters as it operates a remote-first system. Although with a lot of competition in the cryptocurrency business, Coinbase is regarded as one of the largest traders of crypto in the world, with a whopping number of investors and a mouth-watering dividend system. Coinbase Global Inc. went global this year with a valuation of $86 billion at the end of the first day of trading. Mark bought stocks in this company in 2020 when stocks were generally plummeting. It was hard to think that the company would be as big as it is now. However, the dip was worth it, as the company now pays an interest rate of millions of dollars with stocks bought. In Mark Cuban's case, there is a steady stream of millions and millions of cash outs. The stock of this company is at an all-time high, with the unit going for $319.42. This is a huge rise compared to how it was last year. With the rise comes a corresponding rise in dividends per unit of stock acquired. This means that Mark Cuban is currently enjoying a ridiculous amount of dividend on the stocks he acquired. 3. Twitter. Talking about a lucrative and wise investment, Twitter is a long-term holding of Cubin, and the billionaire has admitted it on multiple occasions over the past few years. Social media platforms are as lucrative as businesses as oil companies were in the past and as electric cars are now. The growth of these networking platforms are so exponential, one would be at a loss not to invest in them if one has the means. Mark saw Twitter as a way of safeguarding millions of dollars in reasonable investment, and he is even an active participant on the platform himself, with a whopping 8 million followers on the platform. Twitter owns and runs a social networking system. Owned by Jack Dorsey, the system has been in existence for a good number of years and has garnered acceptance from the young and the educated community. The company has recently revamped a target advertising algorithm ahead of push into e-commerce, as reported by the news agency Reuters. The move is largely seen as part of the plan by the firm to increase revenue by 2023. The billionaire investor and owner of Dallas company, Mark, owns stock in this company and receives dividends from his purchase every year, a cutout of the social networking liquid dollars. With the stock price at $53.54, owners of stocks are sure to enjoy dividends per annum or monthly, and with the e-commerce move, the stock price is sure to skyrocket, and with it, the dividends that accrue to each unit of stock. 2. Netflix. The business instincts and trade method of Mark have greatly helped him over the years. His acquisition of stocks in Netflix came at a time when there were reports of low subscribers and increasing competition. For a normal financial advisor, investing in such a company is very detrimental, as there is likely to be little or no return on investment, and the capital invested may be lost. Which means that, for a normal financial analyst, buying stocks in Netflix was a bad move. Not for Mark, though. This billionaire saw his dip on the online streaming platform as one of those things that is most likely to shoot the company up a new pedestal. In an interview to news platform CNBC, more than competitors over the long term, the company recently beat market expectations on earnings per share by 63 cents for the third quarter. The revenue over the period was $7.4 billion, up 16% year on year. Netflix was established on August 29, 1997 by Reed Hastings and Mark Randolph. The online streaming TV now has over 214 million subscribers, almost in every part of the world. Although the dividend may not be as juicy as you want it now, for Mark Cuban, the long term is all that matters, and investing in Netflix is a long-term thing. 1. Amazon. Amazon is arguably one of the leading e-commerce platforms in the world. Established by billionaire businessman Jeff Bezos, this platform is an e-mall where you can order anything you want and have it delivered to you anywhere in the world. Amazon was established on the 5th of July 1997, and it was formerly known as Cadabra Inc. Buying stocks in this company is by far one of the greatest investments Mark Cuban has made. With its ever-appreciating net profit, it's only normal that the dividend that accrues to its investors be mouthwatering. This company represents the largest holding in the Cuban portfolio, and he admits it. The extreme growth and predictable market state of this company put it at a perpetual advantage over other e-commerce artificial intelligence companies. Mark began buying the stock in 2019 when it was on sale for half its current price. In a statement, Mark says he bought a whopping $1 billion worth of stock during the time. This means that at a time of a dip, he bought stocks from Amazon knowing or predicting that the market would pan out on its favor. And now the value of that stock he bought has increased exponentially. This implies, therefore, that the faith, or what I call it bet, that the billionaire investor placed on the company has paid off. There you have it, 5 stocks that the billionaire investor Mark Cuban invested in. Let us know what you think of these stocks and the risk Mark took buying the dip in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, as we have tons of other helpful videos that you can check out. See you in our next video. Bye!